Let's create our first workflow on NPC Forge. First, we need to click on World Settings to make sure that we have our campaign set up. In this case, it's Aderion, campaign type High Fantasy, and we have a complete description here with all the important details. As always, you can edit this, change the name, the campaign type, because this is really important for later on when we generate other things. Now we're going to create our first location, so we go to Locations and Factions, we're going to Forge Location, and we're going to choose a custom prompt. Here I've already prepared one, we're going to paste. And here it says a cliffside settlement built on the shell of a petrified god beast whose ribcage functions as the town's aqueduct. Let's see what we get. Alright, as you can see, we have the name, Ribshell Heaven, and then we have a whole description that can be edited. Once we're happy, we click on Confirm. Now we have 0 NPCs here, but we're going to fix that. We're going to go here to NPCs, and we're going to do it fast. So we're going to go to Quick Forge, and then we're going to go to Prompt Forging again. In here, we're going to make sure that we choose the location which is created, and now we're going to put a small prompt here. In this case, we have a mute tiefling historian who carves the truth into obsidian slabs because written language mutates near her. Let's see what we get. Is creating the personality and the backstory based on the campaign settings and the location we chose. Now is generating the portrait. And we have our tiefling. As you can see, we have the name, small description, everything you need for an NPC, and then the backstory. We click on Save. And here we have it. Let's create a second one. We're going to click on Forge NPC. And now we're going to input the name and the description. I've decided to put Varkel Drun and then the description, a dormant prospector with glowing veins, Let's see what we get. We click on Generate Portrait. We're going to generate directly from the description. We have a dwarven. Now we click on Location. We're going to check the previous one. We're going to click on Traits. We generate the traits. Now we have them here. Now it's time for the background, which is going to take into account the location and also the campaign setting. Right, we have the backstory. We can take this to the DM assistant over here and we can make it shorter if we want, but we're going to save it. And we already have our first 2 NPCs and in our location. Let's go.